Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be fitting a window motor. The reason why we're fitting another one is because the spindle here broke, so it's not a serviceable part, well, not that I know of, but hence why we're fitting a new one. For this step we'll need to remove the door card, and we'll do this off camera. So what we're going to do is take the connection off there, put the switch on just to test this motor on there before we take anything else apart. Right, I'm going to put the switch back on, disconnect this here, put it on the other motor that we're using to replace, ignition on, fingers crossed. So now we know it's working. So we need to remove these 3 screws. Now we're going to remove the motor. That's off. There you can see that's why the window won't go up and down. It's broken. Right, got the replacement motor, line it up, put it in, there we go, it's all in. So what we need to do is remove that. So I've already taken the screws out, which use a T20 on those, so we just need to remove the speaker out, unclip it, hold the back end of the window mechanism, push that in so it's in, and then tighten these up. So remember, hold the back of the mechanism and then tighten them up. They don't need to be overly tight, so just check that they are, and that's that fitted. Before we put anything back together, we're going to connect it up, put the ignition on, and then see if the window goes up and down. Up in stages. There we go, fitted. Now we know it's all working, we've seen the window go up and down, we're just going to put everything back together, put the speaker back in, put the card in, and then try it out again. So we've got the door card back on, just going to do a final check. Right, that seems to be all working, so the job done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.